Hello, in this video I will introduce with the basic glasswares required for any microbiological, biotechnological or any biological sciences related experiments. Along with I will introduce with the basic kits required for any such experiments. With this, let's get started. This is the plastic tray to hold the glasswares. As you can see, I have placed this glasswares properly in this tray. This is the test tube, a beaker 250 ml, conical flask with cork. This is 250 ml conical flask. This is 100 ml conical flask, and this is 50 ml conical flask. These are petri plates or petri dishes. These petri plates are used in microbiology experiments as well as in biotechnology experiments. This is used to culture bacteria or any other microorganisms. These are slides, clean slides. Now with the kits, the most important is the laboratory record book. Sanitizer, tissue paper, cotton, tape, silk cloth, aluminium foil, head cap, labels or tags. These are centrifuge tube, and this is micro pipette. This is the wrapping paper.